17 अगस्त 2020 पहली नौकरी का पहला दिन, बट इट वॉज इन वर्क फ्रॉम होम बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड लॉकडाउन. लेकिन द थॉट ऑफ सेविंग एवरी पेनी मेड माई हार्ट स्माइल. वैसे बॉलीवुड वालों ने ना कोई कसर छोड़ी नहीं थी ये दिखाने में कि तुम्हें कैसा फील होता है जब तुम्हारा क्रश तुम्हें पहली बार मैसेज करता है. बट पता है मुझे ऐसा कब पहली बार फील हुआ? व्हेन आई गॉट दैट पहली सैलरी का पहला मैसेज, और वो डेट थी 28 अगस्त 2020. ऐसे करते करते डेज पास्ड, वीक्स पास्ड एंड मंथ्स पास्ड बाय. On one hand, where my bank account was increasing, on the very other, my interest in work was drastically decreasing because it was in support role. वैसे रोल तो DBA का ही था, बट मेरा कुछ खास इंटरेस्ट था नहीं उसमें. एक दिन मैंने सोचा आखिर मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ. देन आई थॉट छोड़ो, सैलरी पे ध्यान देते हैं. फिर एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर 20 मंथ्स मैंने अपनी आंखों से पट्टी उतारने का फैसला कर ही लिया. रिसर्च में लग गई. एक ऐसी जॉब की जहाँ जॉब सिक्योरिटी हो, चैलेंजेस हो और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेबिलिटी हो. घंटा मुझे सिर्फ पैसा चाहिए था. और थोड़ी रिसर्च करने के बाद समझ में आ गया कि पैसा कमाया जा सकता है, और एक ऐसा फील्ड है जहाँ पे अंधा पैसा है, और वो है डेटा का फील्ड. अगर तुम्हारे पास राइट स्किल सेट हो तो तुम आराम से 3 महीनों के अंदर अंदर क्रैक कर लोगे डेटा की जॉब. सो आई मेड अ प्लान बनाने में और उसे एग्जीक्यूट ना करने में तो मुझे बचपन से ही महारत हासिल है. बट दिस टाइम आई हैड एन डू और डाई सिचुएशन, बिकॉज जहाँ एक तरफ मेरा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता जा रहा था, वो भी ऐसे फील्ड में जिसमें मुझे दूर दूर तक कोई भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, वहीं दूसरी तरफ अगर मैं स्विच करने के मार्केट में निकलती तो प्रॉबेबली मुझे इसी जॉब में जॉब लेनी पड़ती. सो इसीलिए दिस टाइम आई डिसाइडेड टू गिव मी अ डेडलाइन ऑफ 3 मंथ्स कि 3 मंथ्स में जितना जो भी होगा करूँगी प्रिपेयर, एंड उसके बाद फाइनली आई विल स्टार्ट गिविंग इंटरव्यूज. So from here, I'm going to exactly tell you that how Barclays happened. But that will come into the later part, because firstly, I needed to prepare myself at least to sit for interviews. So step number 1, I made a skill set list, which included a programming language that is most common for data, Python. Secondly, SQL. Third, Excel. And fourth, any data visualization tool. इसमें तुम लोग Tableau, Power BI कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. But I decided to go with Tableau further. And mind you, all the resources that I followed were free resources. क्योंकि जब सब कुछ YouTube पे अवेलेबल है तो पैसे क्यों खर्च करना, बस तुमको अच्छे से यूज़ करना आना चाहिए. And if any of you want to know my exact roadmap and all the free resources that I used, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll make a separate video for that. Otherwise ये वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी और तुम लोग स्किप करने में तो माहिर हो. So step number 2. This is the most important step that I followed and recommend all of you to try this if any of you is trying for a switch. I prepared 2-3 resumes and started applying very early, just after 2 months into the preparation. Because मुझे पता था कि जब तक मेरा resume shortlist होगा तब तक I will be done with all my preparation. और अगर नहीं भी होता है तो at least I'll come to know very early on and will change my resume according to the industrial requirement. The portals via which I applied mostly were Naukri.com and LinkedIn. तो अब preparation भी हो चुकी थी, resume भी बना लिया था. So my next target was to get interview calls from wherever possible. So for that I started reaching out people on various portals and started cold emailing and pinging them for referrals. Sometimes I used to get lucky and sometimes no luck. So I got my first interview call after preparing for 3 months, and that was from Meesho. And result तो मुझे पता ही था because interview did not go that well as I expected. But I was not that much sad because I knew that it was my first interview. So the result for Meesho was rejected. Then the second call I got was through a referral. One of my friend used to work into Accenture, and through him I got a referral from Accenture, and I gave the interview for that, and this time also it was rejected. The third interview I gave was for MDocs. And I don't know that how I got 2 calls from MDocs simultaneously, but in my first interview, I was rejected from MDocs. So I got my 4th call from Nykaa, but it was an on-site offer. But I decided to go for the interview, and you know what? I fucking cracked it. यार, but उस time पे मेरी जो priority थी, that was to secure a remote job or maybe hybrid. Because at that time, I was already preparing for MBA entrance exam, CAT, ZET and etc. तो बट हाँ, एक कॉन्फिडेंस मुझे आया था दैट येस आई कैन क्रैक नाउ, आई कैन डू इट, लाइक आई कैन डू इट. आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डेटा एनालिस्ट, but like after studying for 3 months and gaining all the skill, at least I'm able to crack one interview itself. Then my fifth call, I don't know how, by God's luck, I got again from Amdocs. And whoa, I again cracked the offer. I still have the offer. And they were really paying me very well, and I decided to go with that. और पता है simultaneously मतलब everything was decided that okay, I will be joining Amdocs and everything. Offer letter was accepted, all the document verification was taken place and everything was going really well. But वो जो कहते हैं ना कि मतलब तुमने ऐसे किसी कंपनी का बहुत ऐसे नाम सुना होता है and अचानक से फिर उसका ऑफर लेटर आ जाता है. एक्चुअली एट दैट आई डोंट नो लाइक मैनिफेस्टेशन डज वर्क और नॉट, बट इन दिस के आई वुड से कि इस टाइम पे मेरे साथ सच में कुछ मैनिफेस्टेशन वाली चीज़ हुई थी. Because when I was switching for the jobs, I used to talk to a lot of my friends. So one of my and two of my friends told me that they are placed in Barclays and really good companies. तो at one point मुझे लगता था कि यार काश मेरा भी हो जाए. On the very other, I used to feel कि I don't have any work ex, like prior work ex I don't have. Already I'm having approximately 2 years of experience. तो Barclays, Google, Amazon, Flipkart, ये तो impossible वाली चीज़ हो जाती है. बट वो जो कहते हैं ना थोड़ी सी वो उम्मीद रहती है अंदर से. सो यू नो वॉट आई यूज टू डू दैट आई यूज टू अप्लाई ऑन Barclays करियर पोर्टल. इन अ सिमिलर वे आई यूज टू अप्लाई ऑन मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज. And in Barclays, I approximately ended up applying 29 times. I don't know like why I was obsessed with that. So one day, as a simultaneously, like I had a joining, I have even given my resignation in my current organization, that is Vodafone. One day, ऐसे अचानक से one of my friend pinged me कि तुझे पता है Barclays में ना वैकेंसी निकली है. So if you want me to give your referral, please give me your resume. I'll give your referral there. ठीक है. तो I was like okay fine. And at till that point of time मैंने अपना दिमाग ऐसे I had made my mind that of course I'm going to be joining Amdocs. So I gave my resume and you know what, like I was not expecting any of the interview calls because I was like of course my resume is not going to get shortlisted. And lo and behold, my resume got shortlisted. I even got an interview call and I was like okay fine. Then वो थोड़े से doubts आने लग जाते हैं ना. Then I was like कि शायद हो सकता है इंटरव्यू दूंगी, इंटरव्यू ही नहीं निकलेगा. तो ऑलरेडी आई वॉज हैविंग वन जॉब ऑफर लेटर इन माई हैंड. तो मैंने बहुत आराम से बहुत स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली जाके आराम से इंटरव्यू दिया. फर्स्ट राउंड हुआ. फर्स्ट राउंड वॉज अ कोडिंग राउंड जिसमें दे आई गेस हैकर अर्थ की देयर वॉज अ लिंक दे सेंट अस ऑन आवर ईमेल. सो आई डिड दैट जिसमें देयर वर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम SQL, देयर वर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम Excel, देयर वर क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम Power BI and Tableau. There were some coding questions from Python, the basic libraries we have for data analytics, that is Pandas, NumPy and Matplotlib. So and I qualified in that. Then the second round was scheduled on the same day. So the second round was a technical round. So all the questions related to OOPS, all the questions related to basic data analytics, some case studies were asked. So the third round was business case studies round, in which they asked many real life problems that the particular businesses were facing, and I was able to answer those. Like some of them I did not know and some of them I was able to answer. And like in business problems what happens is they just want to know what your logical thinking is. They don't want to get that exact answer because उन problems का कोई exact answer होता भी नहीं है. So I qualified the third round and then I was selected for the fourth round, and that was a value based plus HR round. Barclays do have these 5 important organizational values. So they ask questions in HR round related to those values, giving you different conditions. And I cleared that round, and after 1 hour HR told me that yes Mansi, you are selected for Barclays. And after listening this, I was on cloud 9. I just wanted to hide somewhere because I was not able to believe that the company, my dream company I ever wanted, I will be exactly working for that organization. So guys, this is how I cracked Barclays, and that too from scratch. I did not have any mentor and not even WorkX. So if any of you are interested in knowing the roadmap or the resources I followed, please let me know. I'll tell you all the strategies that I followed. And I just want to say, if I can, you can too. And if you guys really stay till the end to watch this journey, thanks a ton. Thank you so much.